2 months ago, we sent one of our producers, Joe Finkel, to try out a revolutionary new hair loss treatment called laser hair therapy. In the past, he tried everything from Rogaine to Propecia with few results. After taking some pictures and examining his scalp, Dr. Wright determined Joe would be a perfect candidate. Joe would come in 3 times a week, and for 30 minutes he would sit under this hair laser. It's a soft laser, so you don't feel the light or the heat from the laser. It circles around the head, stimulating blood flow to the scalp, in turn stimulating hair growth.
We're reducing the loss of hair, and we're increasing the volume, and then over time we're going to grow some hair.
And grow some hair he did. After 2 months, these are the before and after pictures. Dr. Wright says the progress Joe has made is typical of the dozens of patients he's now treating.
I'm not seeing hair on my pillow in the morning when I get up. I'm not seeing as much hair in my cap when I wear a baseball cap and I take it off.
You can see hair growth on Joe at every angle. The top of his head is filling in with thicker, darker hair, and there's a noticeable change in the back. The sides, too, look better, showing new hair growth. An admitted skeptic, Joe says he never believed this could happen.
This is very, very exciting to see the actual work in progress. I mean, we have a before and after. I mean, in a very short amount of time, it works. I mean, this works. I mean, I'm not kidding you. This really works.
Cases.
Joe Souza is looking forward to having a bad hair day. He started losing his hair at age 20. Since then, he's done just about everything to try and get it back.
Years ago that I saw on an infomercial that had a vibrating brush and DHT blockers that you would ingest, and I've been a client of, different companies that actually use hair pieces.
But recently, Joe stumbled upon an ad for a new hair replacement treatment. He decided to give it one last chance, and it worked.
The back of my head where the bald spot had peach fuzz left, that peach fuzz is now turned into real hair.
Overall, Joe's hair density has gone up more than 60% in less than 2 months. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, close to 40 million men and 20 million women develop some form of balding. Hair loss occurs when follicles lose the battle to dihydrotestosterone, also known as DHT. DHT causes follicles to sprout shorter and finer hairs before eventually dying out. Now, the way this machine works is it's got 30 laser diodes that rotate evenly around your head. Experts say that increases blood flow to your scalp, hopefully opening up all those hair follicles that have been closed throughout the years.
Think about the ability to put a rain cloud on a parched field. The laser device stimulates the blood flow, increases the blood flow by up to 55%, which effectively, again, to the rain cloud analogy, brings health and moisture and nutrients to the bottom of that hair follicle.
No matter who you are, man or woman, sooner or later, most of us will start losing our hair. Some of us go completely bald. For others, it just thins out. Either way, it can be devastating.
I was losing handfuls of hair a day.
That was alarming for 27-year-old Christine Gibbs, who is used to having a full head of hair.
It takes away a lot from your self-esteem.
Desperate to get her hair back, Christine tried just about everything, including a new device that promises hair today.
This is definitely new technology that can grow hair.
It's called laser hair care. This low-level, cool laser reportedly stimulates and increases blood flow to the scalp.
I was very skeptical. I mean, I didn't think that this could possibly work.
To determine if it's effective, Dr. Alan Ballman, a general surgeon who does hair transplants, conducted his own study. He followed a group of patients, including this man. The top of his head was completely bald. After a few weeks of laser therapy, this is the end result. Not a full head of hair, but definitely a lot more than before.
When I saw this, it could have knocked me over with a feather.
While doctors aren't sure why it works, Christine says she too noticed positive changes right away.
I kept losing my hair as much.
Christine and others also report new hair growth, changes in hair thickness and texture, and they say their hair holds curl and color longer. Christine is no longer losing handfuls of hair. She is thrilled to have hair today.
Those are all new.